For homeowners seeking double-hung windows, Clermont, Florida, local solutions combine style, ventilation, and practical performance for properties throughout Clermont, Florida. From double-hung windows near downtown Clermont, Florida to double-hung windows for homes in Clermont, Florida, these window systems remain a top choice for classic curb appeal and easy operation. Residential double-hung windows. Clermont properties often feature two operable sashes, simple cleaning access, and strong compatibility with traditional, modern, and transitional home designs. Whether you need new double-hung windows, Clermont, for a remodel or long-term home improvement planning, local homeowners across Lake County consistently choose options that improve airflow, appearance, and energy savings. When the goal is durability in Central Florida weather, hurricane-rated double-hung windows Clermont and impact double-hung windows Clermont deliver critical storm protection. Impact-resistant double-hung windows Clermont, Florida homeowners select are designed to help defend against wind pressure, flying debris, and seasonal weather events common across Clermont neighborhoods, South Clermont, East Clermont, West Clermont, and North Clermont. These insulated double-hung windows Clermont homes benefit from can also reduce outside noise and increase year-round comfort. For buyers near Highway 50 Clermont or properties needing double-hung window replacement near Clermont Waterfront, upgrading to stronger glass and reinforced frames is a smart investment. For homes needing a full update, double-hung window replacement Clermont services offer a reliable way to improve efficiency and appearance. East Clermont, Florida double-hung window replacement, double-hung window replacement near Highway 50 Clermont, and double-hung window replacement near Clermont Waterfront are popular searches because aging windows can allow drafts, moisture intrusion, and rising utility costs. Local double-hung window specialists Clermont can recommend vinyl double-hung windows Clermont, custom double-hung windows Clermont, or energy-efficient double-hung windows Clermont based on the age of the home and desired finish. Home double-hung window services often include removing outdated units, installing insulated models, and ensuring a proper fit for long-term performance. For new construction and renovation projects, double-hung window installation Clermont services help homeowners create a clean, finished look with dependable operation. Double-hung windows Clermont, Florida installers work on projects ranging from single-room upgrades to whole-home double-hung window remodeling. Clermont plans. Double-hung sash window services are especially useful when preserving a traditional aesthetic while still improving ventilation and ease of use. For budget-conscious property owners, affordable double-hung windows Clermont and affordable double-hung window services in Clermont Lake County make quality upgrades more accessible. A licensed double-hung window company in Clermont, Florida can provide double-hung window estimates Clermont with clear pricing for replacement, glass upgrades, or full installation. Many homeowners compare options for affordable double-hung windows Clermont, custom vinyl double-hung windows near Clermont, Florida, and energy-saving double-hung windows in Clermont neighborhoods before choosing the best fit for their budget. Whether the project is in a starter home near Four Corners, Clermont, or an established property near Mineola and Clermont, affordable solutions do not have to sacrifice performance. When repairs are more practical than replacement, double-hung windows Clermont services address common issues quickly and efficiently. Double-hung window frame replacement Clermont and double-hung window glass replacement Clermont can restore functionality while preserving the existing style of the home. For homeowners dealing with wear from age, humidity, or storm exposure, local replacement technicians help extend the life of existing windows without the expense of a full replacement. Energy performance remains a major priority, making energy-efficient double-hung windows Clermont one of the most requested upgrades in the area. Insulated double-hung windows Clermont homeowners choose can help stabilize indoor temperatures, reduce HVAC strain, and lower monthly energy costs during hot summers and mild winters in Clermont, Florida. Energy-saving double-hung windows in Clermont neighborhoods often include low-E glass, insulated frames, improved weather stripping, and advanced sealing technology. Whether you are in South Clermont or in homes close to the Clermont Waterfront, upgrading to better-performing windows supports indoor comfort and long-term value.